The Chicago Department of Public Health says they don't know what's next after the federal government abruptly pulled more than $100 million in funding. It was part of COVID grant money the Trump administration is now ending. This also affects local nonprofits. Our Marissa Sulik spoke with one group that says they won't be able to provide much needed services.
This is actually impacting the state's most vulnerable people.
Dr. Dan Lustig is the president of Haymarket Center, Chicago's largest treatment facility for people with substance use disorders and mental health needs. They see 12,000 patients a year. He says about 600 of those are about to be majorly impacted.
Most recently, we found out that our recovery home program was ending effective immediately.
President Donald Trump announced this week $11.4 billion in COVID grants would end instantly. Lustig says they plan for the funding to go away in June. Now they are scrambling to figure out how they will make up the $180,000 they will lose.
We don't have other funding streams necessarily that we can switch on a dime.
The Chicago Department of Public Health says it will also take a hit, losing $125 million that would impact 22 contracts and over 100 staff positions.
The health department says without this money, they would not be able to update their labs, track certain infectious diseases like measles and the bird flu, or hold certain vaccination events.
In a statement to CBS News, the Federal Department of Health and Human Services says the COVID-19 pandemic is over and HHS will no longer waste billions of taxpayer dollars responding to a non-existent pandemic that Americans moved on from years ago. But for Lustig and those at the local level, they say the cuts came too quick.
When you start dealing and touching with the cutting of public health programs, you are deciding who lives and who dies.
In the meantime, the Chicago Department of Public Health says it is working with other government agencies to see how these immediate cuts will impact them. Marissa Sulik, CBS News, Chicago.